Hello everyone and welcome to another FeedArmy video. My name is Emmanuel and today Google has announced that it will start automatically collect marketing content from your website, email, social links and etc. That is quite exciting because then it can automatically start using this content and show it on your shopping listings. So when we have a look at the email, we will go over the short description that it shows here, how it works. So starting from 3rd of April, which was yesterday, you will automatically opt it into marketing content usage. You can opt out at any time in the Merchant Center settings, which I will show you in a moment. Google will collect and display relevant content from your marketing emails on Search, the Shopping tab, and more. This includes sales and other promotions, social media links, new product announcements, and more. We will treat this content as content subject to the Merchant Center terms. No other terms and conditions will apply to the use of the marketing emails within Merchant Center. So the benefits of sharing your marketing email data saves time and effort by letting Google automatically pull in the most relevant information from marketing emails, ensuring your brand and products are showcased effectively. I've not seen this in the wild just yet, how it will show or what will be used, because it would be interesting actually to be able to see what info Google has collected and what info it will be displaying in the ads. I'm sure there will be some kind of report in the future in Google Merchant Center that will show all of that like it does in Google Ads. So now if we go to the full policy page where it shows all the information, we can see what the benefits are, how does Google collect it. And most interestingly is that if Google cannot automatically sign in, or you see that it's not signed in to your newsletter, here is what is important. Google may sign up for these communication automatically. Alternatively, a merchant can send their marketing content to Google, and that is what I would like to highlight. If your website allows email marketing communications, you can add this email, so marketing email to Google at gmail.com. A strange email, but okay. To your marketing communications list to make sure that Google is receiving your email to get the latest content directly from you. You can do this wherever you send your marketing content. So this is pretty cool. I recommend everybody to add this email address to your newsletter so that Google gets this information. So what we will cover now is what does Google extract. Links to primary social media channels, highlighted social media content, upcoming and current sales and promotions, brand images and videos, brand voices and values. So with the promotions, actually, it will already allow you to opt in where Google sees that from your website. But sometimes it's not as clear cut that Google can see this information. So having this in the newsletter as well is very good, because most likely most merchants will send out an email with this information, and then Google has another way to import this data. And now we will go over how does Google use this information. Google will collect and display relevant content from your marketing content on Search, the Shopping tab, and more. This includes sales and other promotions, social media links, new product announcements, and more. This new product announcement, that will be cool. I would assume that is called an annotation then, that it will show, for example, new product on the listings. That would be very cool. We'll treat this content as content subject to the Merchant Center terms. No other terms and conditions will apply to the use of the marketing content within Merchant Center. And then it shows you how to get there. So if we go to Google Merchant Center, we go to the cog icon and then click on General Account Options. Then we will see at the bottom, near where it says close the Merchant Center account, we will see the marketing content usage. And this is where you can share the data or do not share. So that is very important. You're of course automatically opted in to share the data. If for any reasons you don't want to do that, however, I don't see why you would want to do that, because anything you can show that a competitor does not have is a benefit to your listings, increasing your visual aids on the shopping ads itself or free listings. So for example, the visual aids is, like I said, the annotation for new products. If you show that then onto the products, that would be a visual aid extra than compared to your competitors, which is very cool, as well as, for example, sale prices, promotions. But those are already added and automatically used, but having another source to be able to get this is very cool. So make sure that you show everything. Now, I haven't seen this visually yet because it's just launched. Now, if you have any images that you would like to share with us to demonstrate how it visually looks like, that would be much appreciated, because then I can show that demonstration as well for everybody. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment downstairs, and I'll see you in the next one.